Hi, I'm Dave. I work for Enthusiast Motor Insurance. I'm an underwriter, so if you call up, you might just speak to me. This is my 1975 LH Torana sedan that I've had for 20 years. It's got a 400 small block, blow-through turbo setup, and every part of it was built in the shed at home. Let's look a little bit deeper into the small block Chev that powers this car. As I said, I built it all myself. It uses a 400 dart block, Kelly's crank, Kelly's rods, CP diamond pistons, AFR CNC cylinder heads, solid roller camshaft. It's a blow-through carburetor from CSU, and of course the highlight is the Borg Warner S476 turbo. Combined with the V8, it makes all the right noises. The car runs a full manual power glide transmission with a trans brake, converter from SDE, fully fabricated 9-inch all done by me, 31 spline axles, ProStar wheels from World, 5s on the front, 8s on the rear, car's not tubbed, so it's really tight with a 255 tyre. These wheels were actually the first thing I bought for the car when I bought the car over 20 years ago. Looking inside the car, it's mainly original vinyl interior with a pair of fixed back race seats, Stuart Warner analogue gauges, 6-point welded in roll cage. The car's all steel except for the 4-inch reverse cowl bonnet. It's painted in straight white tinta with silver SLR style stripes. I did all the bodywork myself with the colour laid down by my friend Adam at High Gloss Bodyworks. When I first bought the car, I always had the goal that I wanted to build the car at home myself and run a 9-second pass in full street trim. Keep an eye on all the Enthusiast socials as we do the last few things to chase that 9-second pass at Sydney Dragway.